Okay, good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going now to tackle about the classification systems or classifying organisms. This is under quarter 1, week 5. This is the first lesson in this 5th week for Science 8. Okay, objectives. At the end of the lesson, the students should be able to define and explain the purpose of biological classification and the major levels of taxonomy. Value the importance of classification in understanding the relationships and diversity among living organisms, and differentiate the hierarchical classification levels from domain to species through examples. Okay, imagine you're an explorer discovering a new species in a rainforest. How would scientists know where this organism fits in the tree of life? That's the job of classification. Classification is the process scientists use to group living organisms based on similarities and differences. So ito yung proseso na ginagamit to identify the groupings of the organism. Saan ba siya kagrupo or saang family ba siya belong yung isang organism. Okay, we have these levels of classification from broadest to most specific. So the broadest is the domain, followed by kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. Itong species, ito yung pinaka-closely related characteristics of living things. O halimbawa na lang nga dyan yung sa scientific name ng tao is Homo sapiens. Ang Homo dun is genus, and the species dun is yung sapiens. Okay, number 1, domain, the highest level or groups organism based on cell type. We have the eukarya and bacteria and archaea, o yung tinatawag natin na eukaryotic cell. Okay, number 2 is kingdom. Next level divides domains based on major characteristics. Example is animalia or the animal kingdom. We have plantae, plant kingdom. Meron pa yung tinatawag na fungi kingdom, may monera. So, phylum, groups organism with similar body structures. So, under nung kingdom, i-groupings naman sa halimbawa sa animal kingdom, we have the phylum Chordata or the chordates. Sa classes, further divides phyla. Example is Mammalia under Chordata. So kumbaga halimbawa yung animal kasama siya sa under ng Mammalia, pero under naman yung mammals na yon ng chordates or ng Chordata. And number 5, order, organizes classes into more specific groupings. For example is carnivora, yung mga kumakain ng karne. Ito ng number 6, family, o group similar genera. Example Felidae, cats. Yung kaya minsan nakikita natin magkakahawig yung halimbawa pusa, cheetah, lion, tiger. Yun, magkakasama sila sa isang groups or sa isang family. Ang tawag nga is family. And genus, groups closely related species. So, ito example nito is Panthera. And number 8, the last one, or the most specific level organisms can reproduce with each other. So ibig sabihin pala po, dito sa part na to, ito yung pinaka-closely related, wherein they can be able to reproduce. Nagkakaroon lang ng reproduction in terms of similarity of species. So meaning kapag magkaiba ng species, kahit belong sila doon sa the same genus, hindi pwedeng magkaroon ng reproductive process. So ito kung isa-summary natin, yung living things is divided into domain, yung 3, and the domain divided into kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. So sa 5 kingdom classification, we have the monera, protist, fungi, plantae, and animalia. Yan yung example ng under ng 5 kingdom of living things. Screenshot nyo na lang po itong part na to. Okay, what is the broadest level of classification in the modern system? Yung pinakamalawak. Okay, that is domain. Number 2, which level comes directly after kingdom in the classification hierarchy? Okay, that is phylum. In which level are organisms most closely related? Okay, sinabi natin kanina na pwede silang makapag-reproduce. Okay, that is species. Animals should belong to the same species in order to reproduce their own kind. What is the correct order of classification levels from most general or from broadest to most specific? Ayan. So, siyempre nagsimula sa domain. And domain followed by kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. Letter A. Okay, what is the purpose of biological classification? Ano kayang dahilan? Ano kayang gamit niya? Ano kayang pakinabang ng biological classification? Okay, to group organisms based on similarities and differences. Okay, which domain do humans belong to? We belong to eukarya or eukaryotic cell. Okay, para linawin po natin pala yung eukarya, yung eukaryotic. Ito yung ang cell niya is may true nucleus. Unlike do sa prokaryotic, there is no nuclear membrane. Walang particular na nucleus na maipapakita dun sa part na yon. So later on, pag-aaralan nyo din po yan. Okay, Panthera leo is the scientific name for a lion. What does Panthera represent? So it represents the genus. Which of the following group is a phylum under the kingdom Animalia? Okay, that is Arthropoda. Organisms that reproduce with each other and produce fertile offspring belong to the same blank. Okay, binanggit na natin yan. Belong to the same, kung yung pinaka-closest interrelationship based on the classification of the living things. That is species. Which of the following correctly matches the classification level with an example? Okay, the carnivora, that is order. Ang Animalia kasi, that is kingdom, hindi yan genus.